The battle of objection management is lost the moment we get defensive. And so we're going to need to, as these questions come up, take a deep breath, okay? And then just stay calm through the situation. Pause before responding too. And so this is the number one step if we're going to reach an outcome that's win-win, is that we want to lean into these. So if a patient's saying, look, I don't know that I can, make this frequency of adjustments, breathe. We want to thank them. Thanks for bringing that up. Let's explore that. We want to actually lean right into it there too. Open body language. And so we want to watch in terms of how are we in this scenario? Like, do we go back into a defense posture through there too? Do we cross our arms, cross our legs? Do we turn away from the patient there too? These are all defensive or dismissive postures, and our postures tell a lot more than what our words do as well. We want to maintain eye contact, the appropriate amount of eye contact. We want to be nodding our head as well. We want to make sure that we're giving verbal acknowledgements like, so if somebody's bringing this up, we don't want to be crossing. We want to go, got it. Tell me more. Okay. Thanks for sharing that with me there too. We want to encourage further sharing. Well, is there anything else that you want to share? So we want to make sure that we lean in. And when we start to get good at this, there will be an enthusiasm that comes because you'll see this as an opportunity to lay the foundations for a really wonderful, wonderful relationship.